Hey Monk Traders, this is Vince again. I am doing another video on my analysis of my live trading because I believe that it's important to uh, Hey Monk Traders and friends and family. I'm doing another video on my mindset of live trading. Hey Monk Traders, I'm doing another video today on my live trading, and um, hey Monk Traders and friends and family, this is going to be another video of my analysis of live trading. Oh my gosh. Hey Monk Traders, friends and family, this is going to be my second video of my analysis of live trading. I just want to get out first that I appreciate everybody who reached out to me, and I feel so grateful that I'm able to, answer everyone's questions in detail, but also I feel so obligated to help out and share my wealth of knowledge with everybody, just to make everyone a better trader, and also just to help out my Hmong community. I care about you guys so much, and I want to see more Sunisilis. Like I said, I want to see everyone successful. I want to reach the top with my Hmong people, and yeah, I just want you guys to know that I've had doubters and people who said I'm doing this for money. First of all, I don't think I ever want to get paid. If I do get paid, it's going to be it's just going to go back to the community anyways, right? I'm not going to keep any money. I don't want any money. I don't need the money. And this is just all for you guys. So let's get into this. I'm going to try to make this video less than 10 minutes, but we'll see. So right here, I bought a Tesla put. This was on 11/23, so Tuesday. And I bought this Tesla put. The strike is 1050, and I bought 35 contracts, which is worth 3,500 shares. Remember that one contract equals 100 shares, and this is worth about $66,000 worth of Tesla contracts. And it's expiring this week, November 26th, 2021. And I bought this at 14:02, 2:02 Eastern time, and this recording I started at 14:14 or 2:14, so about 12 minutes later I started recording. And currently I am down. So the thing you guys have to know about this is that let's go back to this. So I bought it at 14:02, right? I bought it right here. So why did I buy right here? So as you guys know, you guys want to buy low. So with the thing is that with puts, remember you want it to go down, but then whenever it goes up, remember I lose money. But also the reason why I lose money because the contract is starting to decrease because it's going against the put's favor, right? So your value of that contract decreases. So you want to buy when it's low. So when you buy puts, you want to buy it whenever it's increasing up. Because remember, options is about volatility or rate of change. So whenever it moves very fast, the price fluctuates along with that too. So I bought it pretty much almost, I wouldn't say perfectly, but I did buy it at a pretty good timing at 14:02 because I saw it was going up. So and why did I buy it right here? Did I assume that it was going to be a false breakout, saying that it was going to go up and then hit not resistance, but it would have continued going in a downward trend that the sellers were in control, right? Well, did I know that it was going to be a false breakout? No one knows. But I essentially bought it because it was cheap, and I liked that it was going to be a downtrend because I saw the RSI was kind of hot right here, 63. Okay, no. 64. That's still not above 70, but sometimes it doesn't need to be picture perfect, right? But right here I saw that it was cheap, so I bought it. I bought in. People asked me about when is a good selling point of the option. I think it's even more I think it's even more important actually to know when the buying point is, right? Because I have made option trades, and I bought them at a very volatile moments, and I bought it when it's very expensive, and the times that I have made profit from buying it very high and expensive is very low. I think it might be like less than 10% if you want numbers for that. So it's pretty bad. You wanna buy it whenever it's very cheap. It's not worth it really to buy it when it's expensive, unless you can really confirm and you're like really understand the market, I guess. Then I would say that like just buying it at the market value or when it's expensive is okay, but I wouldn't suggest it for anybody. I do it. I do it a lot, but I have lost a lot of money doing that, but it has paid off sometimes, but usually it's usually not worth the profit. So okay, let's go back to this. So I bought it right here, and then let's go back to the video now. So even though it goes down, I still lost money. So like I said, I bought it like right here. Even though it's down right here, I'm still losing money. That's because of I bought it at a kind of volatile time. I'm assuming I bought it whenever it was shooting downwards rather than upwards. So that's why I'm losing money right now. So buying your entry point is very important. So let's just skip a little bit ahead. So okay, so I'm watching this now. So it broke down my downward trend line. It did go above it, but now it's starting to go back down right here. And I see that SPY. I'm watching SPY carefully right here. If it's gonna go down too, because remember SPY influences the stock markets. Boom, we really like that. And what are the indicators that I am looking at? I'm gonna make a separate video on this, but as of right now, I'm looking at not the RSI right now actually. I am looking at the SPY, really at the volume, right? Not a lot of people see volume as an indicator, but it's a great indicator too. So with this, it's a very big spike in volume, right? But what happened here? It really didn't do much right here, and it stayed within this this area of support and resistance on the 1 minute chart. Now, what does this mean? It means that it's kind of like in an equilibrium. The buyers and sellers aren't really in control, but to me personally, I think that it's bearish. Why? Because with such big volume, how come they weren't able to break out of this? So in my head, I'm like, okay, I really like this. And obviously, it paid off. And typically, I guess, I think that I do see a pattern with this. With big volumes and nothing moving, I usually see it more bearish. I usually see it more going downwards in the market with any stock. But don't hold my word against that. It doesn't happen all the time, but with this situation, it did. So right here, we really like these. You see my profits going up right now, 15%. That's really good. So now what I'm thinking right now, do I just let it keep running? Or do I just sell out and be happy with $10,000? So this comes with experience and knowledge. A lot of people right now would be thinking, $10,000, that's a lot of money. That's like months of work. But the thing, you have to not trade off emotions. You got to trade off numbers, instincts, and indicators. It's all very important. So right now, could I sell right now? Maybe. I see the momentum of the sellers kind of slowing down right now, and people are buying it back up. But we just want to be patient. What the thing is that with gains, you want to kind of keep it running sometimes. Not in a greedy way though. You'd rather have your gains running and have your losses minimized, essentially. Because profit's profit. It's up to you, however, whatever your exit point is. But for me personally, right here, this is my last trade actually of this week. And I really just wanted $100,000. So I set a limit order, and sorry, someone texted me. I set a limit order specifically just so I can hit the $100,000. And funny enough, just watch this. Funny enough, I kind of hit it perfectly. I don't know if I influenced the market by selling, but whenever I play with my big account, like I can see when I really influence the market. But I mean, on a small account, I'm just a small fish. So right here, like $13.8 thousand. I could run away with this right now, but like I said, I want to hit $100,000. Typically I probably would just keep this running. But I really want the $100,000. So I see a big bounce right here. So do I like this? No, I don't like this at all. But is it gonna hold though? That's the thing. It will be bouncy on its way down. It doesn't always fall down. You guys gotta remember that. So sometimes patience pays off, but also you gotta confirm that it's going to it's gonna bounce or gonna continue falling down. That just really comes with experience and intuition. But my intuition was telling me that that the momentum of it going up wasn't really holding too well. But right now in my head, I am looking for a second candle, whether it's green or red. So boom, yep. And the thing with this, you see these big red candles. Why is that happening? People are setting stop losses, essentially saying that if it hits under this value, it's gonna that you want to sell it, right? So this is kind of like a I guess I think the term is called like a stop loss hunt, where a bunch of sellers come in and it just hits all these stop losses and it just avalanches it down. So this is good for me because I'm buying puts. So when do I sell right here? Oh yeah, I forgot. I set a set limit. So whenever it hits a certain value, then it's gonna sell. Boom. Okay, so my set limit hit right there. Oh no, sorry. I was selling other contracts. That's why I was beeping. So I can see it's not holding. It's not gonna bounce anytime soon. Let's see. Yeah, it keeps going down. The RSI is 40 right here for the SPY index. Remember, the SPY index influences the stock market. It doesn't predict the stock market, but it influences it. And sometimes not everything follows exactly with the SPY, but typically when you see big drop like this, it usually does. Very rarely it will go against the SPY index. So right here I have $15,000, and it hit my set limit, so it just sold. And it's, like I said, it's funny enough because right when I sold it, it actually started bouncing up, which is pretty insane. Right, yeah, it continues bouncing up right here. So yeah, that's just my mindset in this. I will go make another video about the basics of options and really just the stock market in general. The thing I don't like about other videos is that it's just all textbook material, and it doesn't really teach you about real world experience within stock trading. People usually don't talk about that, but sometimes, don't get me wrong, textbook material stuff is very good. You want to start with that, actually, because when I talk about things, I'm not going to go in detail, and also people put very high quality materials out there. They spend a lot of time getting in depth with it, and just find the videos or people that really connect with you. That's really important. You got to find people who connect with you, and I just hope that I can connect with you guys too. Just like keep giving me feedback, keep giving me questions, because it's really important to me as a creator. That's funny, I'm thinking myself as a creator right now. I didn't think that I would ever be here, really, but enough of that. Just stay safe trading, and we'll continue on with other videos. I'm gonna make a Discord, and hopefully we could build a pretty awesome community out here and make everyone money, guys. Like, I want my monk people to rise up and create more Sunisilis, right? And we want to create more Sunisilis and make us more successful. And to my friends and family, I want you guys to make money too. I mean, we're all in it together. When I eat, we all eat, all right? So there's that. I appreciate it, and stay tuned for other videos, guys. Come on, let's get it.